What's going on, you sexy, filthy, ass-scratching, butt-sniffing. You guys get a scratch a sniff sticker. Pineapple. Now let's go ahead and look at this tweet here because, guys, tomorrow I'm giving away $1,000. All you have to do is post the funniest Christmas card you've ever seen. Whichever one makes me laugh and soil myself at the same time gets the moolah, just in time for you to give your side chick the gift she's always wanted. And maybe get some Robux gift cards for that kid you haven't seen in like 11 years. But moving on to the second tweet here. Coffee number 3. Legend has it, whenever I dump, so does the spy. But GDP QOQ rose to 2.3% versus an estimated 2.1%. Now it's nearly 8 o'clock at night. I'm drinking coffee. Yeah, I got the shits and shakes. I feel like that nervous little chihuahua is always shaking in your living room. Let the fucking dog out. Let's look at flow sentiment. Still very bullish, 62.34%. Let's go ahead and look at short interest. Still very high, elevated, 18.88%. The shorts are negligent, especially considering the positive sentiment towards AMC. So, yeah, we see some covering a little bit going on, but this is still highly elevated. Before we look at the chart, though, I want to go ahead and look at the options chain. Because in yesterday's video, we saw open interest at the $30 strike to be well over 15,000, and at the $40 strike to be well over 19,000. And so we got some paper-handed bitches, and I get it. Now, if you guys are going to play the options like a lottery ticket, like you're going to burn through cash, I advise if you're going to play options, you know what the fuck you're doing. Otherwise, just buy the shares, keep buying the shares, and you buy and hold, and our day will come. Now, let's go ahead and look at the chart here, because the chart is telling us something. Now, we don't have the momentum that I would have liked to see. However, we are still respecting the significant line here. Previously, it acted as resistance. Now it is acting as support. We have that here at about $28. Now, we're a couple of boom candles away from this $35 area. Now, a point of concern here, we have the MACD crossover to the downside, and this is the 4-hour. I would like to see pre-market into intraday a reversal here, and I would like to see RSI point even higher and definitely just recapture momentum above 50. We go ahead and we look at the daily, and we see the green on the histogram here, right? And we see the MACD crossover. This is very bullish. However, the RSI is below 50. Again, guys, tomorrow is a big day because usually before a holiday or a long weekend, we get unusual volume, and I'm hoping for that unusual volume to spill on over into AMC. Now, before I let you guys go, I'm getting a lot of messages like, hey, Gabe, how do we beat the algos? Now, you don't beat the algos. You trade with the algos. AMC is an exception because it is a short squeeze play. What I've seen for most of this year is the trend where retail traders start attacking short squeeze plays. And yes, there are many success stories out there. Me, I like to trade in a frictionless environment. I like to trade with the trend. I like to think that attempting to short squeeze the shorts and that's like running into a brick wall, right? And it's a coin flip, and there's a lot of people that got hurt this year chasing short squeezes. However, we've shown through the course of this year what is possible and what we can do when we band together, when stupid money bands together and buys the stock because we love the stock. And, it's green season. So I hope you guys put some green ink in your printers because we're going to be printing very soon. Now, before I let you guys go, I want to reiterate 30 is something we must. And again, Tyler said it enough times, but if we want to see that bullish momentum lead into next week, and, the guys who got options who are not printing, hey, yeah, I feel bad for you. You're spending good money after bad, just getting your asses burned, right? But if we can break 30, I do see bullish momentum into next week, and we could see AMC definitely recapture some of its former glory en route to the moon. That way I don't have to sit here every fucking night and do a video. I need a break. This is Gabe. I'm signing out. Peace.